They told me they're gonna get some new partner. I work alone with nobody else. I hope it's a joke. What's this evidence, man? The spine. Hello, Postural Detective, Los Angeles. Yes, sir. Yes, it's me. No way. Surgeon, I'm already told you I'm work alone. I don't need that. Sir, please. Don't. It's a big mistake. I think it's a big mistake to put this guy in this office. God damn it. All right. Jesus Christ. I can't believe they put this guy. He's like a classic massage guy, soft tissue manipulation. What the hell is bullshit is? It's a 2025. We need to physio massage. We need to move. We need to sparkling this nerve connection with our muscle. It's not just a soft tissue manipulation anymore. Well, we'll see what's gonna happen. Who's there?
Home sweet home. I'm here for you. Oh, my old friends. All these little no-goods. I'm gonna get 'em, each one of 'em. Twisted Tony, Bella Bunyan, Bobby Plantar Fasciitis. I don't like a one of 'em.
Do you know it's no smoking up here, buddy? And now tell me, who the hell are you? What a crazy dude.
Postural Detective David.
You are the postural detective?
Oh yeah, hold on now. Hello? Postural Detective David speaking.
Hey, it's my phone. Don't answer my phone. But go ahead, all right. Just this time.
Echo Park. Oh no. Plantar Fasciitis. Bobby Plantar Fasciitis.
Bobby Plantar Fasciitis, get out of the jail?
He's out of the jail. And he's coming for everybody in Echo Park and around the whole city.
Holy shit, we in trouble. Let's get it.
Just get him.
Okay. So the Bobby Plantar Fasciitis out of jail, and where is he right now?
He's all over Echo Park and beyond.
What he's doing up there, he's attacking those walkers in the morning because people don't have that stability in the foot. They start walking with this inflamed fascia on that foot. Mm-hmm. Can you tell a little bit more about this, David?
Oh yeah, I know all about this. When you wake up in the morning, underneath the feet, you got the pain right on the bottom of your foot, the heel, and it goes up and it hurts when you take your first step.
Yeah.
And it causes your Achilles tendons tight. You got a lot of imbalance in the foot.
Exactly. So people try to mobilize, but it's no stability because you walk, you drop that foot inside, and bad for the runners. I see this every morning. I go to this park, and Bobby, he knows where to attack you guys. He knows where to attack you. Also, what's happened here with the age, when the foot get dropped, we get that little bit more flat foot. That calcaneus bone is start growing that split like a little shin up here. It's like a spike, and it's growing forward, which is make that fascia contracted, and it's painful to step on that heel because the foot is start dropping. What else can cause it?
Well, you got problems with the Achilles tendon in the back. Your calf could be tight, and it even could be coming from your hip.
Yes, because if your hip unbalanced, you drop the whole weight to one side, and that's the whole weight. The more weight is coming for one leg, and you start wimping, and that's what's the Bobby start attack you.
Also,
exactly. Also, he have his partner in crime, which is Twisted Tawny. Twisted Tawny. If you spread your ankle so many times, don't do any exercise, don't do any rehab. Trust me, after Tony, Bobby will come. And Bobby will not going to be, how are we going to say that? He's not going to be nice to you. He's not going to be friendly. He's just going to put you in misery and put you in pain. Remember this face. Remember this face. Don't be in pain. Also, Bella Bunyan. Bella Bunyan, it's his girlfriend. She always with him. The first time she's come in, people start collapsing in the foot. Put that more weight on that bone, in the front bone. The bone start growing. It's right in here. That big bone start growing in here. Get that inflammation. It's hard to walk. So this is the Bella Bunyan.
And
So,
let me show you something.
all right.
Look, a lot of people they twist their ankles and they keep retwisting it over and over again because it's so imbalanced. It's so weak on this side. It keeps rolling, and you've had 1, 2, 3, 4 twists of the ankle, and it all relates to the bottom of the foot imbalance that causes the plantar fasciitis.
Correct.
I don't like Bobby plantar fasciitis.
No one like him. And guess what? A lot of people start do stretches, which is good thing, but you also need to strengthening that foot. You need to get that stability in the foot. And it's a bunch of exercise, single leg exercise, balancing exercise, bands exercise. Get that strength in those shin muscle, those tibialis anterior, that's the name of the muscle, calf muscle. Do a lot of tests. We can do the test. But the most test, yes, you guys stand up on your toes and try to see if you're bouncing from one side to another. Also, you can check your ankle mobility test. This is have to be applied. So, if you're in Los Angeles area and Bobby been attack you in whatever Echo Park, everywhere, we here in Los Angeles, we are Postural Detective, and who's going to help you?
That's right.
That's right. I don't know about the classic massage, so this is what the day would represent, soft tissue manipulation, which is great, and also physio massage with apply the bands. What else you guys can do for the blobby plantar?
Well,
What's your way to catch that bastard?
Well, what I do, I'll tell you what I do. I go in and I lengthen, I mobilize that Achilles tendon, all the plantar fascia, all by hand. I go into every little part and make sure everything moves just right.
All right. But we are, in 2025, we more physio massage. We apply the band. We want that muscle to be active. We want to see that balance in one leg, standing one leg. Also, we want to do this neuro training because everything connected. And I believe if classic manual therapy and new generation next of massage therapy put it together, Bobby will get in jail forever. And also those guys like a Twisted Tawny or Bella Bunyan. And it's a bunch of criminals up there who terrorize your body, who create the pain in your body. And we here to help you and protect you. Now we're gonna go to Echo Park and find that victim and help him out. This is what we're doing here.
Yep. Here we go.
Let's go.